Hi, it's Jonathan Weinberg again. I just want to do a follow-up on my review of the Pilot 912. So when I was using it, I started experiencing a lot of railroad. And as a result, I decided to take the recommendation of so many people, and I got a new feed, an ebonite feed from the Flexible Nib Factory. And so I wanted to do a really quick review just to see what the change that did, and it completely transforms the pen. In any case, it was only $27, I think, and then shipping, so it's a little over $30, and it completely fixes all the problems, at least that I was having with the pen, and it now is again my favorite pen. So I'm going to draw with it. This time I'm going to draw some dahlias. Just we've actually been in a terrible drought uh, in New Haven, but we have had a few flowers that have come out well. This is a beautiful one. So I'm going to draw this and see how well it works now. Now, here again to remind you is the 912, Pilot 912 with the Falcon nib. See that? Okay. Okay, I hope you can see there. It's in Railroad. The ink flow is amazing. Um, there you have a choice between a feed that is uh, uh, giving you some more ink and then one of the highest amount. And so I chose the one that gives the most amount of ink. And you noticed, I think, as I was drawing it, that uh, it is very wet. And so the one thing you have to really be careful about is smearing, because it does lay down a lot of ink. But that's very much true of a dip pen as well, I would say. Particularly, I went out of my way to do some areas, a lot of dark lines and overlapping cross-hatching and areas. So that would definitely be very wet with a dip pen. So anyway, I'm very, very pleased with the ebonite feed. And as a matter of fact, I ordered another one for my Pilot 743, which I'll do a review of. So very good job, Pen Factory. Strongly recommend them. By the way, they didn't pay for this recommendation. I also will do a writing sample too, so you get a sense of what that looks like. So as you can see, it really makes a huge difference. If anything, it's a little too wet. So some people may want to go for the option of the feed that isn't the wettest feed. But I'm very pleased. There was just the slightest railroading just at the end, but also it uses now so much ink that I may actually be running out of ink at this point. So thanks a lot. That was it.